welcome back to my channel. It's Callie's Corner, and today we're going to be doing, well, actually, what are we going to be doing, Mom?
Surprise! I did not let her know what we were doing today because I wanted to get her reaction, her real reaction of what she thinks about it on camera. It's been sealed in the envelope. So, drum roll please. Da, 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 da. What are we doing? I have Nickelodeon, from those of you back in my day, slime face mask. They come, I found them in pink and green. Thought it would be awesome. And we are going to try them out. You want the pink?
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to wear the green?
No. Even though that's what new real Nickelodeon slime colors are, still I want the pink.
You know, I know my daughter oh so well. I grabbed an extra pink one because I didn't want a green one either. Haha.
Oh.
And I totally knew she was going to take that one. One of us needs to do the green though. Just kidding. We can do this one.
Okay. And we got bowls and spoons and knives. I don't think we need knives because it has those things to tear.
Right. No, I just got the scissors. I just said get scissors just in case.
Bowls.
Didn't tell what we were
We got
doing,
the
just
same
that we
thing.
were. Okay, so this is what it says. Nickelodeon slime face mask. It's supposed to be a hydrating mask. It says for ages 3 and up, so I'm quite sure it's non-toxic, which is awesome. Let's try it out. Oh,
What?
I ripped open the green one. Okay, so I guess I'm doing
glue.
green.
It looks like pink glue.
This is what it look. All right. She's putting hers in the bowl. I'm about to just dive on in with this baby. I'm going to use this spoon. Okay.
Get a little closer.
So you can see you're cheating.
How am I cheating? And get on my finger.
Smells like glue.
Oh, that's cold.
No, honey. It's warm.
Yours is warm?
No, I'm joking. Of course it's cold. It's a face mask.
Oh, it's so cold.
It feels kind of good though. I was not sure if these are going to stain. So we got some baby spoons that can be thrown away.
Yeah. Put on my lip.
Tastes yummy?
No.
Poor thing. This slime, it actually feels really nice, y'all.
I'm getting used to the coldness now. Can we walk in this green, by the way? You okay over there? Are you sure?
It's so cold.
This is not that cold. Hey, I have a problem.
Hmm?
What if it dyes our skin? What if you're pink and I'm green?
I will not go to school tomorrow then.
Yes, you are. You're not missing school.
I don't want to be a pink alien.
No. You just have to watch the video and see what happened.
She's already done her whole face.
I got this.
I got this, America.
Yes. Help you?
I can feel it drying. Man, you got it in my hair.
No, I didn't. It's fine.
You got it all in your eyebrows.
It's okay. I'm gonna go out one of
It feels like it burns when it's drying.
Like it's, well, yeah, like it's working.
Yeah. It's just because it's getting so cold. Dawn, we now are getting feel.
Okay, besides the trampoline, what else?
Phone.
Okay,
so far.
That's okay. So what do you think the cool toys are right now?
Oh, I said I want the Buffy the Booty Shaking Llama.
Okay, that's a new. Oh, I got on your eyelashes. You were laughing. Be still.
That's how Kayla laughs.
Baby don't need to wait a baby. Hi guys. We look fabulous.
Oh. Oh.
Stop touching it.
I tried to, but
Just don't. Let it. Just chill. This girl here, y'all. Okay. So you want a booty shaking llama? Is that what you said?
yes.
Okay. I feel it like. Would you sit back?
I'm sorry.
I feel it like tightening up. This might actually be an okay mask. I was not expecting a whole lot from it. How's it feeling? Like, what are you feeling?
Cold.
Just cold.
Feels like it burns just because it's so cold.
This is what it looks like. Get up here so they can see yours since you have the pink.
Look at my eyes, guys.
It's the ring light. But yeah.
And if you have not saw that video where she made this ring light, make sure you go check that out.
Okay, guys. This is the...
Pink.
Comes in pink and green. But I found this at
it.
the local Dollar General. And they were $1. But you know how my girl is about her slime. So...
It burns.
Well, it's not. It's like, it is cold though. It's very
That's
cooling.
why.
It's hydrating your pores.
I don't know what that is.
Oh.
What?
I thought I missed a spot.
You did? Right there.
No, I didn't.
Right there.
No, I didn't.
Empty. Oh,
Here's
I
on
feel
there.
it drying. Oh.
Is it drying?
Uh-huh.
Is it getting tight?
Oh, I can't lift my throat up without it feeling tight on my chin. Okay, guys, we're back, and our face masks are dry, and so now it's
Well, they're still sticky.
Well, yours is, mine ain't.
Yours is completely dry.
Well, just this part right here, but I ain't worrying about that part. Everything
It's
else
really
is dry.
tight. It feels like it's done. She did not like how cold it's got. But before we peel these off, she had a really good idea of what we're going to do because, show me yours. We have just extra slime, like mask. So, we have us some activator.
And I told her that if you activate face mask or peel off lipstick, it will make slime.
So, we're going to make slime.
Out of slime face mask.
All
Well,
right.
Nickelodeon face mask.
So I'm going to just put a little. I'm not going to put a whole lot. Just like a drop. More than a drop, but a little. Let's see.
That's probably good because...
Okay. And you can do yours. And then I'm going to mix it. Let's see what happens. It's working. Oh. Okay, so with our leftover facial mask, we actually made slime.
She didn't know about that. I had just told her.
No, I'm learning. She's teaching me. So that's cool.
And it's kind of like jiggly slime.
Have any of y'all made any awesome like slime recipes that y'all want to share? Have y'all done the actual facial mask slime? I did not know this did it, but it does work. All right, guys. This is our face mask.
Mine, you can tell mine got darker.
I know she did not like how cold it was while it was drying.
It felt like it was burning.
She hated it. Yeah, and this took, what, 30 minutes?
Yeah, it was
30
it
minutes.
said on the packet that it was supposed to only take 15.
Right, but it took about 30 minutes, and I still have a couple sticky places, but pretty much dry.
All of mine is dry.
But it is a peel, so let's see.
It actually works because I had.
Uh-oh.
I'm tearing off my skin.
Ow! I'm shocked for it being a kid's, well, face. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm a little impressed, actually. I didn't think it would be any account, especially when it said that it was okay for a 3-year-old.
Scared about getting it in any type of hair on my face.
La 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 la.
Look, guys. She got it in my hair. And she got it so close to my eyes.
I did not.
When I done that, when I still had my face mask on, I could barely, like, open my eyes after doing that.
I don't know what she's talking about. There we go. I couldn't get it. Now we're peeling.
Where's the rag?
You said it feels so soft. Oh no.
What?
Oh, I thought I got my
What?
part.
That looks so...
Where is it? I thought I got my eyebrows, y'all. Got a little nervous. Hold on.
You didn't even look at your face before you looked.
No.
My eyebrows are still here. Pitch and perfect.
Oh, whatever.
My face, I was scared my face was going to be red. From peeling it off and because my face mask was pink.
There we go. Now I got it. I was being stubborn. And maybe if I'd put it on a little thicker, then it probably would have took even longer. What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm just saying.
She'd be so extra, y'all. Okay, y'all can chit chat with Callie. I'm going to go get this off my face. Oh my goodness. I had to go wash it off because it all wasn't peeling. And it did when I went to wash it. I had to wash my face like 3 times and scrub because it tinted my face green. So, but all in all, I'm actually a little impressed. How's your face feel? Oh, it's like uber soft. I said that. I did.
got that baby skin again.
Yeah, like it's really, really soft and really hydrating. I'm pretty impressed with the $1 Nickelodeon mask, honestly.
It was $1?
Yeah, it's like not bad. I think it would be great for a beginner slime, or I mean a beginner mask. Alright, so that's going to be all for this video. If y'all want to go run down to your local Dollar General, getting it up, and check out one of your slimes. So again, this is what the package looks like.
And so don't forget that.
You see it says 3+, so no toxins in here, I'm quite sure. So check it out. Is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
The slime? Or
The
both?
face mask.
I think it was a thumbs up for me.
Okay. Actually, you know, it's hard to get off.
No, not for me. For you.
It was hard for me to get it off. So, I would do a thin layer. I'll say 1 pack's good for 2 round faces.
Round faces.
2 round faces. You can get 2 good round faces out of 1 pack.
Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate...
We already said that.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. We
No.
just said Jinx, you and me. So, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.